Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Saturday. And in today's video, we are going to discuss if you gift something from your stockpile and it's not well received, what do you do? Okay, so a couple weeks back, it was Mother's Day. I made this cute little basket and I made a YouTube short showing like, this is me putting my stuff together, aren't I great? It was just a little last minute Mother's Day gift, probably $150 retail. And I think most moms that have everything and anything would just be so delighted to get this, get to try out some new body washes, a couple cool razors. And I think it's great. Couponing is a hobby, such as quilting is a hobby. I think they're the same. Whatever you're deeming your hobby is, if you're going to bake your mom a cake because you're an amateur baker, that's your hobby. If you're going to give your mom a baked cake, would she look at that as a lesser thing? If you gave her a quilt, would she see that as a lesser thing? If you gave her some stockpile goods, would she see that as a lesser gift? I don't know. So this is the comment that was left, and I'm not picking on this person whatsoever. She just made such a valid and profound statement that I'm like, I need to make a video on this. So she said, I love it. Exclamation mark. My mom would be offended if I gave her couponing things because she knows I get them so cheap. Her love language is gifts. All caps, LOL. So to that, I'm not sure if this young lady ever gifted stuff from her stockpile to her mom as a gift or what the story is there. But if somebody is going to be that way and be like, this isn't a real gift because you got it with couponing, I think that's just a really sad way of looking at things. Her daughter probably spent hours out there going and getting these deals, making them happen, and to say, well, that's not really a gift. And I've heard this before, especially at baby showers. It seems like the fangs come out for that a mom to be is given like $200-300 of diapers and other baby stuff, and they'll just look at the couponer and say, okay, where's my real gift? Well, that is your real gift. No, where's my real gift? That is the gift. And back to my example that quilting and baking, if that's your hobby and you brought your mom a cake or a quilt, wouldn't that be the same as a beautiful gift basket with stockpile goods? I think it's the absolute same thing, but maybe that's just me. But I think if your intention is pure and this is your hobby and something you're really enthusiastic about, it would be like my examples again. If you're really into quilting and you made your mom a quilt, the monetary value of the supplies and your time might not be like, a $50 to a $200 gift, but you're trying your best. And with the economy the way that it is, the layoffs that we're seeing in the news, stores closing, and everything going on in the world right now, I think that, gifting stuff that's practical and smart, so mom doesn't have to go out and buy stuff in the future. I think it's a gift with a lot of intention and a lot of love because you're thinking, gosh, she doesn't need to go get a razor. She doesn't need to get that shampoo. It's all covered right here. And even if you got it for a bargain or a moneymaker with IBOTTA, you're still thinking enough of your mom to gift this to her. Again, I didn't really want to single out this subscriber, but her point there of her mom being offended is so valid because I have been making these videos for many, many years. And sometimes I get these comments of ladies saying, I gifted some stuff from my stockpile. And then my sister told me that my mother wasn't happy with it. I've heard this before in the past. I just haven't heard it recently. So the purposes of this video. Okay, so the opposite of the first comment is most of you had this comment. You were saying, my gosh, your mother-in-law, your mom is so lucky to receive that basket. That basket is gorgeous. And people were very, they were just so like, oh my gosh, I would love to receive that basket. So there's two different camps, Some people might think a coupon and gift is less than. And other people might think, oh my gosh, what an amazing gift. And I know a lot of us couponers are super generous people that we would probably throw in a little gift card. If your mom loved Dunkin's, throw that in. She can get her coffee before work. But, there are two sides of the coin. But I really thank that person for leaving that comment because I've seen it before where people have messaged me where, especially at baby showers, they just gave a bunch of diapers they couponed for and the gift it wasn't well received, and it's happened. Now, if you should ever face this where you gift something from your heart from your stockpile, and the person's just like, well, what is this? I don't use this. No thanks. And they're going to have that spoiled attitude with you that, I really, yeah, thanks, but no thanks. Um, it is not your problem, their reaction. If they can't see the value in the gift, especially right now, where, a Dove body wash on a non sales week is just under $9, like, that's not your problem. You tried your best, and this is your hobby, and that's how I personally see it. Okay, guys, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.